Hi, I am Ablen and I am an intern with Lexus & Company, and today I am going to discuss the topic of e-contracts with you. E-contracts are also known as electronic contracts. They are not paper-based contracts and are electronic in nature. These contracts are basically made for speedy contracts and for the convenience of parties. With the advancement in technology and people have been progressing, so the mode of their communication has been progressing, and therefore there is a need of the hour to have such a mode of contracts that one person sitting in some country can easily make a contract with one person sitting abroad. So that is why the concept of e-contracts or e-commerce was made. Electronic commerce is a mean of transaction of business electronically and is associated with buying and selling of information, products and services over computerized communication networks. These contracts can be made in various forms like emails, online agreements and website forms. The main essentials of the contract are that there must be an offer, but like we have an offer in Contract Act, the offer need not be the same. Here the offer needs to be in the form of invitation to offer. So when we visit a website and we see all the products, they with the price tag, they are basically an invitation to offer. And the second essential is that there must be an acknowledgement of the invitation to offer. And the third one is that there must be a legal consideration for the contract. Consideration must be legal under section 23 of Indian Contract Act, otherwise the contract will be void. Fourth one is that there must be an intention to create a legal relationship. It was held in Balfour versus Balfour that if no intention to create legal relationship, then there will be no contract. Moreover, domestic and social nature of family agreements are not contracts. The provisions of section 11, that is competency to contract, must be fulfilled. That is, the parties to the contract must be able to contract. The next one is there must be free and unaffected contract. That is, consent must be free. The next one is the objective of the contract must be lawful. Contract must be such which is possible to be fulfilled. Then we have types of e-contracts. There are various types of e-contracts like employment contract, consultant agreement, contractor agreement, sale, resale, distribution agreements, non-disclosure agreements, software development agreements, shrink wrap contracts, source code errors agreement. What are the legal framework relating to e-contract? Several laws trying to regulate e-contract are Indian Contract Act, Consumer Protection Act, IT Act 2000, Indian Copyrights Act 1957. E-contract business works on the basis of Indian Contract Act 1872. E-contract signed, completed and enforced as parties replace paper documents with electronic parlors. The contract are made in between service providers or buyers and sellers. Moving further to the remedies on breach of e-contract, there is no special rule in case of breach of online contract, but remedies which are available in Indian Contract Act can be followed. Section 73 and 74 of Indian Contract Act deals with breach of contract. A valid contract gives rise to correlative rights and obligations, and they are enforceable in court of law when infringed on breach of contract. The remedies provided by Indian Contract Act for the breach of contract are damages and quantum merit. So similarly, these both remedies can be availed in case of breach of e-contracts. Further, these contracts can be divided into two parts: click wrap contract and shrink wrap contract. Click wrap contract is a part of installment process of software package known as click-through agreement and click-wrap license. These agreements allow a buyer to manifest assent to the terms of a contract by clicking on acceptance button that appears when the buyer obtains or installs the product. Until the buyer clicks the acceptance button, he cannot use software. Click wrap agreement requires buyer action in order to bring usage but do not guarantee cognizance of agreement terms. Courts can enforce these agreements. There is no negotiation allowed. And click wrap agreements can further be divided into two parts: type and click wrap agreement and icon clicking. Type and click is where user must type "I accept" or other specified words in an on-screen box and then click submit button. Acceptance of the terms of the contract. This means acceptance of the terms of the contract. Then user cannot proceed to download or view the target information without following these steps. Then we have icon clicking, where the user must click on OK or I accept button. User indicates reject by clicking cancel or closing window. So this was all about e-contracts. I hope this video is knowledgeable enough. Thank you so much.